First ride of the year. It's cold. We test a microphone. Are you here when I'm talking now? Well, neither do I. Fiasco. We are also trying a new setting on our GoPros, where we have reduced the wide angle to not distort the image as much. Also testing KTM's map app on the mobile. Seems to work well so far. Practice runs also include a drone that will give our videos slightly different angles. Capturing a moving object with a drone takes some practice. Hopefully we'll get to it before the riding season really starts here in Sweden, as we have big plans for the summer's riding adventure.
Men det är en jävla trafik här.
Ja. Ja, jag kör om då när
jag kommer du
utan.
förbi och sen får du försöka tajma in så att jag kan göra så här.
Ja, jag kör om när det är utan.
Thanks for watching.